Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will understand why do we need web API. Just imagine now we are creating a website with any technology, ASP.NET, MVC or any other framework which are available. We can save the data in a database. By combining this website and database, it functions will work fine. Now coming to this scenario, along with this website, now we need to create iOS application and Android applications. We have only one database. Now we have three applications but only one database. If all these applications are directly communicate with database, we will have some issues. Let's see what are the problems. Duplicate logic for each application. Remember, we have three applications. In all the applications there will be business logic. In website, iOS and Android, we need to write same business logic again and again. Second, error prone code. Business logic is written in all the applications. There may be chance to miss some logic in some application. This will create more errors. Some front-end frameworks cannot communicate with the database directly. Suppose you want to create a website with Angular application. I hope you knew that Angular is a front-end framework. It cannot interact with the database directly. Hard to maintain. If you need to improve or implement anything in one application, we need to do that same thing in all the applications. In these situations, it hard to maintain. In our next video, we will discuss how to overcome these problems. Thank you so much for watching this video.